You know, Maya, you are so young. And it's hard seeing you go through so much with Sanju. It can't be easy with him in a wheelchair.
It's not easy, Rohan. Sometimes it feels like I'm living two lives. One where I'm struggling to take care of him, and one where I'm just trying to survive.
I can't even imagine. It's not fair for someone like you to carry all of that alone.
I know he can't make me happy like he used to, but I have to live with him somehow.
You deserve to be happy, Maya. You deserve more than just living day by day.
Thank you so much for today, Rohan. I really needed this job. I don't know how to repay you.
It's nothing, Maya. I'm happy to help. Just take care of yourself, okay? You deserve some good in your life.
You don't know how much this means to me. Really, thank you. Why don't you come inside? I'll introduce you to Sanju. He is probably awake now.
Not today, Maya. I have some work waiting for me at home. But I will definitely visit some other day.
Alright, I understand. I should head inside anyway. Sanju is alone, and I'm sure he is waiting for me.
Yeah, go take care of him. Don't worry about anything else. I will see you tomorrow at the office.
Okay, thanks again. Take care of yourself, and drive safe.
You too, Maya. Take care.
Why did he kiss me? Sanju? Where are you? I'm home.
Maya, I'm in the kitchen. Please help me.
Sanju, what are you doing down there?
I was trying to open the fridge. I couldn't reach, and then I fell.
Are you okay? Does it hurt?
I'm fine.
You should have been more careful. What if you hurt yourself again? You could have gotten seriously injured.
What was I supposed to do, Maya? I was hungry. And you know I can't reach the fridge. Why did you put the food there?
I didn't think you would try to get it yourself. I was going to serve you when I got home.
I couldn't wait. You were out for so long, and I was starving. It's not easy for me to just sit here and do nothing.
I'm working as hard as I can. I'm trying to help you and keep everything together. Do you think it's easy for me? I'm working hard just for you.
Please just warm the food and bring it to my room. I don't want to argue anymore.
My life is destroyed because of this marriage. I should never have married him. I didn't sign up for this. Stuck in this house taking care of him day and night. What kind of life is this? I deserve better than this.
long and shiny, like the night sky, and she had the prettiest face. One day, the young princess was playing with a doll that resembled her with a smiley face. Luna was fawning over herself as she looked into the mirror. Little girls like you are my most favorite. To which scared the daylights out of the young princess. Who are you? And what do you want? I want what you are most proud of. My toy? No, silly girl. I want what is brightest in the room. My jewels? I don't understand. Go away, you witch. How dare you? Not the brightest bulb in the room and disrespectful too. Out of a flight or fight response, Luna spoke rudely to the vanity villain. I'm going to take from you what you love the most, your smile. I curse you with sadness. What? No! A pretty, sad princess. You will pay for your prize. No! After cursing young Luna, the vanity villain vanishes into the mirror with a bright flash. From that day onward, Princess Luna never smiled, never laughed. She couldn't, even if she wished to. How could she? She was cursed.
I have all the wealth and gold I could ever wish for. All I really desire is a smile on my little girl's face. That's enough. I must do something.
The king summoned all his ministers at midnight to seek advice on how to fix this problem.
Hear, hear. His Majesty just announced that anyone who can make Princess Luna smile would be rewarded with a pot of gold.
It was an exciting day, full of promise. How plain and boring.
Next.
The crowd roared in tandem, but the princess didn't even break a smirk.
I am distraught. This act of bravery was a sight to behold. Yet it couldn't impress my little girl.
The prince was dreamy. Luna didn't even bat an eyelid. A rare delicacy, the fruit filled the kingdom with its sweet scent, made everyone salivate. Princess Luna gazes at the fruit with empty eyes. Little does the crowd know that she has lost her appetite. Many men and many animals from far and wide tried their luck, but none of them succeeded. The princess was impossible to amuse. This attempt to forcefully put a smile on Princess Luna's face only made her sadder. Father, I'm tired. I'm going to bed now. Good night. Luna became aloof and distanced herself from the king. She thought by isolating herself, she was shielding the father from her sadness. She spent her days alone in her chambers. Luna stopped loving herself entirely and lost her appetite. Her yummy food couldn't interest her. The princess completely stopped looking at herself in the mirror. It reminded her of the day she was